Dividends are payments that a company makes to its shareholders from its profits. When a business earns money, it can choose to reinvest those profits back into the company, save them for future use, or share a portion with its owners, the shareholders. Dividends are one of the most direct ways companies reward people who invest in their stock, providing a tangible benefit for holding on to shares. When you own a stock that pays a dividend, you receive cash, usually every quarter, though some companies pay monthly or annually. These payments are typically deposited directly into your brokerage or bank account, making it easy to see the rewards of your investment. The amount you receive depends on how many shares you own and the dividend rate set by the company. This is a way for companies to share their earnings with you, the investor. Dividend investing is simply buying stocks that provide these regular payments. Over time, these payments can add up, especially if you reinvest them to buy more shares, which can lead to even larger dividends in the future, a process known as compounding. This type of investing is popular because it creates a steady stream of income. Instead of only hoping that stock prices go up, you get paid as long as you hold the investment. For many people, this reliable income can help cover everyday expenses, provide peace of mind, and reduce the stress of market ups and downs. Dividend investing can fit any budget. Some people start small and grow their portfolios over time, buying just a few shares at first and adding more as they can. Thanks to modern investing platforms, it's easier than ever to get started, even with limited funds. Over the years, consistent investing and reinvesting dividends can lead to significant growth. Another key point is that dividends can be part of your long-term wealth-building plan. They can help you reach your financial goals, like saving for retirement, funding a child's education, or supplementing your income during different life stages. Many successful investors use dividends as a foundation for building lasting wealth, relying on the steady cash flow to support their dreams and needs. The best part? You do not have to be an expert to get started with dividend investing. With a little research and the right tools, anyone can begin building a portfolio that pays them regularly. In the next sections, we'll break down how dividend investing works, what to look for in dividend stocks, and why it is a smart choice for anyone wanting stable income and long-term financial security. Dividends provide a reliable way to earn money from your investments. Unlike capital gains, which depend on stock prices going up, dividends give you cash even when the market is flat. This makes them a great choice for people who want steady income. If you are retired or near retirement, having stable income is important. Dividends can help you pay bills or cover living expenses without selling your investments. This is called income stability, and it gives peace of mind in uncertain times. Dividends also help during market downturns. When stock prices fall, you still receive payments as long as companies keep paying dividends. This can lower your stress and keep your financial plan on track. Overall, dividend investing is about building a financial foundation. It helps you stay steady, even in rocky markets. Think of dividends as paychecks you get for being an owner of a company. These payments can add up over time. If you own several dividend-paying stocks, you might receive income every month or quarter. Consistent income makes planning easier. You can predict how much you will earn and set a budget. This is helpful whether you are saving for something big or just want extra spending money. Companies that pay consistent dividends are often stable and well-managed. They usually have a history of making profits and rewarding shareholders. This means you can trust your money with them more than with risky stocks. Your dividend payments can grow too. Many companies raise their dividends each year. This means your income can keep up with inflation. When you're ready to start investing in dividend stocks, the first step is to create a list of companies that regularly pay dividends. This list will be the foundation of your research and future investment decisions. Begin by jotting down names you're already familiar with, and then expand your search to include other reputable companies. You can easily find information about which companies pay dividends by visiting financial news websites, stock market apps, or by checking the investor relations sections on company websites. These resources often provide up-to-date details about dividend payments, upcoming ex-dividend dates, and company announcements. As you research, pay close attention to companies that have a consistent track record of paying dividends year after year. A long history of uninterrupted dividend payments is a strong sign of financial stability and management's commitment to rewarding shareholders. It's wise to focus your attention on large, established companies that have weathered different economic cycles. These firms are often leaders in their industries and have proven their ability to generate steady profits over time. Such companies are commonly referred to as blue-chip stocks. Blue-chip stocks are known for their reliability, strong balance sheets, and ability to pay dividends even during challenging market conditions. For example, you'll find familiar names like Coca-Cola, a company that has paid and increased its dividend for decades. Other examples include Johnson & Johnson and Procter & Gamble, both of which are household names with long-standing reputations for rewarding their shareholders. These companies are generally less likely to cut their dividends, even during tough economic times, making them attractive choices for income-focused investors. As you evaluate potential investments, always check the dividend yield. The dividend yield is calculated by dividing the annual dividend by the current stock price, and it's usually expressed as a percentage. This figure helps you compare the income potential of different stocks. A healthy dividend yield typically falls between 2% and 5%. Yields in this range suggest a good balance between income and sustainability. If you come across a stock with a much higher yield, be cautious. An unusually high yield can sometimes signal that the company is in trouble or that the dividend may not be sustainable in the long run. Take your time to analyze the company's financial health, recent earnings reports, and dividend history. Don't rush into buying a stock just because the yield looks attractive. Instead, carefully research each company, read their annual reports, and understand their business model. The more you know, the better your investment decisions will be. Remember, this careful selection process is essential for building a strong, stable portfolio that can provide reliable income for years to come. So, after you've found some dividend stocks that catch your eye, it's time to, dig a bit deeper and really understand what makes a dividend stock worth your investment. It's not just about picking any company that pays dividends. There's a lot more to it if you want to build a reliable income stream. First, take a close look at whether the company has a long, consistent history of paying dividends, and even better, raising them over time. This shows that the company values its shareholders and has the financial strength to reward them year after year. This track record is what's called a dividend growth record. Companies that have managed to increase their dividends for many years in a row are often called dividend aristocrats or dividend kings, and they're usually seen as some of the most dependable investments out there. Companies with these long records are honestly just more reliable. They've proven they can weather economic storms and still keep rewarding their investors, which is exactly what you want for steady income. Next, review the company's payout ratio. This is a key number that tells you how much of the company's profits are being paid out as dividends to shareholders. In simple terms, the payout ratio is the percentage of earnings that goes directly to dividends. If a company is paying out too much, it might not have enough left over to reinvest in its business or to handle unexpected challenges. A safe payout ratio is usually below 60%. This means the company is keeping enough of its profits to grow and stay healthy, while still rewarding shareholders. If the ratio is much higher, it could be a warning sign that the dividend isn't sustainable. If a company pays out too much, it might have to cut dividends during tough times, which can be a nasty surprise for investors who rely on that income. Dividend cuts often lead to a drop in the stock price too. Also, take a look at the company's balance sheet. This is where you can see the company's overall financial health, things like assets, liabilities, and how much cash they have on hand. Are they making steady profits year after year? Consistent earnings are a good sign that the company can keep paying dividends, even if the economy hits a rough patch. Do they have too much debt? High levels of debt can be risky, especially if interest rates rise or the company's profits take a hit. Companies with manageable debt are generally safer bets for dividend investors. Strong, steady companies with solid balance sheets and a history of responsible management are just better for dividend investing. They're more likely to keep paying and even growing their dividends over time. And finally, make sure to read the latest news about the company. Stay updated on any developments that could affect its ability to pay dividends, like changes in leadership, new regulations, or shifts in the industry. Are they facing any big problems like lawsuits, scandals, or sudden drops in revenue? These issues can quickly turn a once reliable dividend payer into a risky investment. You'll want to avoid companies with major risks or warning signs. It's better to be cautious and stick with companies that have proven themselves over time. That way, you keep your income stream safe, enjoy peace of mind, and can focus on the things that matter most, knowing your investments are working for you. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. This is a key rule for any investor. Diversification means owning different types of stocks, not just one or two companies. Try to spread your investments across several industries. For example, mix in healthcare, utilities, consumer goods, and banks. This way, if one sector has trouble, you still get income from others. You can also use dividend-focused mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. These funds own shares in many companies. They make it easy to diversify even if you don't have a lot to invest at first. Diversification protects your income. It helps you sleep better, knowing you are not depending on just one source. It's important to keep an eye on your investments. Check your portfolio at least once every few months. Watch for changes in dividends, company news, or earnings reports. Set up alerts for your stocks. Many brokerage accounts will notify you if a company changes its dividend or has big news. This helps you act quickly if needed. Track your dividend payments. Some investors use a simple spreadsheet to record when payments arrive and how much they receive. This makes it easy to see your progress. If a company cuts its dividend, take a closer look. It may be time to sell and find a stronger option. Regular review keeps your portfolio healthy. One of the best habits is to reinvest your dividends. This means using your dividend payments to buy more shares of stock. Over time, this can grow your portfolio much faster. Many brokers offer a dividend reinvestment plan, or DRIP. This program buys more shares automatically each time you get a dividend. It's easy and costs little or nothing. Reinvesting helps your money work for you. The more shares you own, the more dividends you get next time. This is called compounding, and it's a powerful way to build wealth. Even small amounts add up. Stick with it, and you'll see how your income grows year after year. Dividend investing is a simple but powerful way to earn stable income. You don't need to be an expert. By learning the basics, choosing good companies, and spreading out your risk, you can build a reliable income stream. Keep track of your investments. Reinvest your dividends when you can. This helps your money grow faster and prepares you for future needs. The benefits of a dividend portfolio are real. You get income, peace of mind, and the chance to reach your financial goals. The earlier you start, the better the results. Take the first step today. Start with 1 or 2 dividend stocks and learn as you go. You have the power to build income stability like a pro.